Music Maestro. Nasaan ang mga gymnast ng Lawag City? How about those from Candon? Nasaan ang mga gymnast ng Candon City? Wala? Mayroon. Diyan. Pangasinan 1. Vigan City. Ilocos Sur. Dagupan City. Yung mga gymnast ng La Union.
Ay, sumabay tayo sa internet para lumakas na.
Nasa naman yung mga gymnast ng Ilocos Norte. How about the gymnast from Urdaneta City? And finally, but not the least, yung mga gymnast ng Batak City. Ayan. Okay. Game lang kayo? Ha? Gusto nyo na malaman ang result? Gusto nyo na makuha yung mga medals nyo? Alam nyo na yung results nyo. Kasi nakita na na-post na na-announce na namin. All we have to do now is to award you your medals.
Sana. Ikaw Inang ka sana. Punta ka Thailand, may palagay ka.
One day in Thailand. One day in Thailand.
Sige mga anak. Arms forward. Come on. Ayusin yung line. Patingin ako ng maayos na line. Sige na. Tayo muna mga anak. Ayusin yung line. Pipili ako ng most disciplined delegation. Ayan. Arms forward. Okay, arms down. Sige, closing muna. Maupo muna kayo dyan sa gitna. Sige, upo muna kayo mga anak. Very good.
Pupunta daw
Okay, let's settle down and let's start the meeting program. We'll be closing for the awarding ceremony.
Depende sa size.
Good afternoon, Dagupan City. Good afternoon, Region 1. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the closing ceremony of the Region 1 Athletic Association's Meet 2025. What an incredible journey has been. Days filled with intense competition, teamwork, and inspiring sportsmanship. Indeed, over the past days, we have witnessed not just exceptional athleticism, but also the unwavering spirit of determination and camaraderie among our gymnasts. Today, we celebrate their hard work and the success of this event. To officially start, may I call everyone to please stand for a soft prayer over the audio visual, audio. And please remain standing for the sake of the Makabayan song.
Sick pero wala naman. Pupunta nga din ako. Kasama ko ako. Nagtatrabaho din ako. Tatanggalin dito, ilalagay dito.
Sa'yo aming naman
seated. Before we go to the awarding of medals, we first go to the awarding of certificate of recognition to our tournament managers. Okay? Wala pa kayong malakas malakpak dyan. Para sa ating mga masisipag na tournament managers. Okay. Okay, let me read the text. Okay, let me read the text. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 1, Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is awarded to the tournament manager in sincere recognition of his or her dedication as tournament manager in gymnastics during the 2025 Region 1 Athletic Association meet held in the municipality of Tacloban, province of La Union, and in the cities of Dagupan and San Fernando on March 10 to 15, 2025. Their dedication in promoting sports as a way of life for enhancing physical and mental health, and their vital contribution to the successful implementation of the Philippine Sports Program, benefiting the well-being of learner athletes, given this 15th day of March 2025 in the city of Dagupan. Signed, Tolentino G. Aquino, Regional Director of Region 1, Director 4. As I call the name of our tournament manager, I request them to please come up the stage to receive their award. Tournament Manager in Gymnastics, Rhythmic, Ma'am Lailani M. Rasco. Tournament Manager in Gymnastics, Aerobic, Sir Archel S. Caliha. Tournament Manager in Gymnastics, Men Artistic, Sir Eric S. Viernes. And Tournament Manager in Gymnastics Women Artistic, Jennifer M. Festejo. Thank you po sa ating mga isa pa sa palakpak sa ating mga magkaka, ating mga speaker natin. Tournament managers. Yeah. The long wait is over. We now come to the awarding medals to our gymnasts who successfully conquered the challenges in this event. But rest assured, all of you, our dear gymnasts, are winners for you performed well in this competition. Sa malakas na palakpak para sa inyong lahat, mahal namin gymnast ng Region 1. To start with, my colon, Ma'am Lailani Rasco, Tournament Manager of Rhythmic Gymnastics for the awarding of medals. Nasaan na yung mga rhythmic gymnastics natin dito? Ayan na. Andito na yung result, andito na yung pan. Babasahin ko na. Okay. Umpisa natin sa elementary. Mga anak, together with your coach, pasok dito para maayos tayo ha. Aakyat dito, bababa doon. Pag nakumpleto yung tatlo, huwag mo munang umalis at sabay-sabay mag-picture. Malinaw? Malinaw mga gymnast? Salamat! Okay! For the hoop apparatus, together with her coach. Sorry po, hindi ko mabanggit yung pangalan ng coach kasi hindi na nakalagay dito. But still, congratulations to the gymnast and to the coach, of course. And of course, to their division. Silver medalist from Lawag City, Reyes Zoe Solen A. And our gold medalist, again from Lawag City, Cardano Jimovic F.
Naglalaing ganito gabi ka ng kabay sa pagkakas.
Congratulations and applause. Let's proceed. Photo ko muna mga anak. Ito yung proud coaches. Sa pagin ng salud. Now let's proceed to the roll para